Edison's time remains in electrical energy. Einstein's time remains in physical energy. Stephenson's time remains in turbines. Someone turned turbines and made electricity in their time. Time makes energy. Time is energy. Overcome the limits of time to make time. Turbopawortek. On the strength of our passion, we have been making world-class products with new technologies in Korea. Founded in 1979, Turbopawortek is a specialist in turbine generation, manufacturing the parts used for turbine generators, and encapsulation of highly advanced technology. Turbopawortek was the first in Korea to develop its own centrifugal casting techniques for heat-resistant alloy steel that endures high temperature and high pressure, allowing Turbopawortek to manufacture, supply, and export turbine generator parts to turbine makers worldwide. Turbopawortek was the first Korean company to domestically produce the core parts of steam turbines and gas turbines, for which it was awarded the Silver Industrial Medal in 2008 and designated as a world-class product of Korea by the government. Recognition: the Turbopawortek is a leading company in this field. In addition, Turbopawortek has been leading the market and is now recognized by the major global turbine makers as a global leader in the turbine generator parts sector. With the technologies we have developed so far, we are focusing on technical capacities and skills on manufacturing our own brand of turbines, and continuing with consistent research and market pioneering in order to provide total turbine services for customized consulting and product supply. The time of passion that Turbopawortek has spent have always been the first and the best. For 40 years, we have driven the way where there is no path. Those hours of passion have led the history of turbines in Korea. A turbine is like an organism. Millions of parts need to be assembled organically to make one turbine, so even 0.1% flaws cannot be allowed. Among the many available casting methods, the centrifugal casting technique used by Turbopawortek has the lowest incidence of defects and radically shortens the lead time in the production process. We observe strict standards in the heat treatment process, which determines the product performance, and ensure the reliability of our materials to the best of our abilities. Also, using CAD and CAM technology, our veteran engineers who have been producing turbine generator parts for more than 10 years, high technology of CNC machining, and pre-simulation to drive machining facilities such as large-scale vertical lathe, horizontal boring, and 5-axis machining center. Since foundation, we were founded. We have been continuously accumulating the assembly process and precise welding technology that require a tolerance of 1 to 100, with global quality certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001, and KEPEC. We carry out strict internal inspections and perform quality management for each process in order to supply perfect and zero-defect products to our customers. Turbopawortek has alloy casting technology with the centrifugal casting techniques needed to enhance its structures with centrifugal force, and the heat treatment techniques needed to achieve the highest mechanical properties. We are also equipped with an optimized one-stop system, from precise machining techniques with CNC turning and 3, 4, and 5-axis machining, and welding assembling techniques with uniform welding and O-point management, to self-inspection for each process and reliability testing techniques for completed products. We are highly competitive, offering stable quality, timely delivery, and reasonable pricing through this one-stop system. With an optimized system that enables us to quickly respond to our customers' needs, we have the problem analysis capacity and will impress our customers with our unique techniques. Turbopawortek produces the core parts of steam turbines and gas turbines. The steam turbine, in nuclear generating stations and thermoelectric power plants, consists of an external casting with rotors and a blade as rotating parts, and a diaphragm as a fixed part. Of these, TurboPowerTech has the facilities to conduct the diaphragm assembly, from the materials to the final assembly. We also minimize leakage by producing various types of seals, including hybrid brush seals, that significantly influence turbine efficiency. The gas turbine, which is largely used in combined cycle power plants, consists of the turbine combustor and compressor. For the turbine part, we produce the blade ring, interstage seal, shroud blocks, honeycomb seal, and isolation rings. For compressor, we produce compressor blade, vane and compressor shroud rings of various types and supply them to the major global turbine makers. TurboPowerTech established an R&D department in 2003 to continuously research and develop core turbine parts. Our R&D department has been proving its worth through new research and building a level of reliability that is optimized for actual driving situations, while realizing 100% commercialization by acquiring various certifications with customized research and development. It continues to grow into an international research institute with a global level of research capacity, and was designated as an excellent technical research institute by the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy in 2007. TurboPowerTech, a global leader working hard in the field. TurboPowerTech is running towards its vision and goal of customer satisfaction with a spirit of commitment to becoming global #1. We supply many turbine generator parts through partnerships with major global turbine makers such as GE Energy, Mitsubishi, Hitachi Power Systems, Toshiba, and Doosan Heavy Industries and Construction. We not only supply our products, but also provide total turbine services to Korea Hydro and Nuclear Power, 5 major power plants of Korea Electric Power Corporation, and other local corporations in an effort to contribute to the localization of the products and technologies, and the enhancement of the reliability and efficiency of the facilities. To respond to the radically changing turbine generation market, we are continuing our research and development of core parts and technical cooperation with advanced turbine makers to make an exclusive independent TurboPowerTech brand that will pioneer the global market for the first time. Based on the accomplishments and achievements of our total turbine services in Korea, we are working hard and speed up in the field to advance to the market in Southeast Asia so we can express ourselves as a hidden champion in South Korea. Save customers time to maximize efficiency. TurboPowerTech overcomes the time barrier to make clients' time even more efficient. TurboPowerTech goes beyond electrical energy to create happiness for humankind. We are developing for the next generation. We create time for the future. Energy is time. To make time beyond the limits of time. Energy for future generations. TurboPowerTech.